What's up, guys? Welcome back to the house bowling. I'm bowling in a scuba gear and I'm bowling against this clown, Brent Bowers. For $100.
Am I in the right place? Can't believe you're gonna make me wear this glove.
All right, so the rules of the game are, we're gonna bowl a regular full game. Every time you strike, you get to take one item off, just one.
Oh boy, means I gotta take this itchy wig off.
And I don't know what I'm gonna take off first. Which flipper will I take off first? I don't know. I'll go first. My heels are killing me, by the way. Let's go.
Good.
For $100?
100 doll hairs.
Okay. 100 clown hairs?
Oh, that. Okie dokie. So did you breathe in or out on your first step there?
Held my breath the whole time.
Well, that's why.
Little cutter?
Little cutter, he says, with his mouth full. Oh! Time to go down to 14. Oh, this is very slick. There is no tack here. These are silk.
Silk.
I think maybe polyester, but.
Yeah, definitely polyester.
So if I strike, I get to take this glove off.
You can take whatever you want off.
No, I need the glove off.
Oh, ho, ho, ho! Stand up!
All right. Okay.
At least you could be accurate.
Spare is questionable. Need to go to my bigger thumb hole. Got a nice grip on it.
Can't believe he can swing that thing. Hook.
Early lead.
If I can't take these flippers off soon, I'm getting spanked.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's a good shot.
I gotta send it further to the left.
I think you should feed the microphone all the way through the snorkel. Okay, he's on the board with a mark.
Staying alive there.
So I'm gonna make a little adjustment off my last shot. Come on, get in there. Really looking for a pocket shot.
You didn't take the glove off.
I didn't strike.
Oh!
I thought you only got to when you strike.
You're right. Yeah, you're right. You didn't strike. I thought you struck. I just assumed that you struck because you're the luckiest man alive.
What's that?
Okay.
Go, baby girl. No, we can't count it. 8-1 in a clown costume.
I was gonna give it to you.
He's hyperventilating. Hurry, someone give him mouth to mouth. Foul. Tink.
My foot's behind the line.
Tink. Oh, I know why I 7-10'd. My pants were down. It feels a little too normal.
If I could make every spare, I'd win this game. I'm gonna need to take these flippers off ASAP. Oh!
Got some speed. It's getting worse.
Did that one slip off the thumb a little bit?
They all slip off the thumb a little bit. Hard way.
You're so lucky.
That's how normal this is for me. Bowlers that I know are walking in, looking at me in a clown suit, thinking nothing of it. That's out the window. I'm working on my ASMR for everybody back home.
Yeah. I either have to throw it at the pocket or I have to throw it straight to the left.
Oh, you just about. Could you imagine if on the filming of this video, Pack like goes down, busts a knee, out for a season or two? Hey, more time for content. Looking for a trip 4 here.
Trip 4?
Off goes the glove.
Is the 75 pin rule still in play?
We didn't make that rule ahead of time.
What soles are you pairing with your new Dexters here?
It's gonna be an H0 because there is no heel. My heel is exposed.
He did move left. He's in the oil. and he needed the trip 6. Not today. Not in homie's house.
I might not strike once.
I think I found my costume for the inaugural Bud Classic costume contest. He's really starting to come into his own.
I'm ready.
You're getting more athletic with every shot.
Yeah, the first shot I almost ate.
Oh, why don't you talk
no.
a little?
You better
More talk. I forgot I still had clown shoes on.
You better.
I felt the power of my hand come back, but then I'm like, okay, now we're feeling, oh, wait a second.
If that struck, I was in some serious trouble.
And a good first ball.
I think I'm going reactive. I think I'm ready. And my last shot felt pretty athletic. I think it's time.
Yeah, I mean, you've made good adjustments so far. He is getting the oil. The dreaded 6 pin.
That one felt like money off my hand. I can't wait to take this set to the Y.
Could be swimmers bowling tournaments coming to a bowling alley near you soon. Well done, well done.
You got a ball and flippers, and you got to swim in bowling shoes.
Hey, that sounds like drowning and drowning.
Yeah, that's how I would think.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I'm in the 4, okay.
I'm only down 20. That's not bad for the stage that I'm at in this game.
It's because my pants keep falling down.
Hook.
1 strike so far. He projected it.
I'm taking this.
Oh, you're taking that off. Once he figures out how to strike with those.
Well, here's the thing. If I can only take one of them off, it's
a tight match. We're gonna go ahead and float into my A game.
bowling in a clown outfit.
No! No! Oh!
We give you claps for that.
Been some pretty good spare shooting this game. Oh, too much finger.
If I strike here, if I beat you,
Still got the flippers on. I still have hope.
okay.
You could take the lead. Okay, I guess it's time to get focused. I guess we're actually bowling now.
Goggles are coming off. And you thought I was going to take the flippers off first. Come on now.
The same thing. You're gonna have to project it. Just like you project them, I gotta project it.
These are killing my heels. It doesn't cover the whole heel. It just digs in halfway. Bing, bing. That's an elite shot right there.
Staying alive. Staying alive.
That was about to be game on the messenger.
Staying alive.
We got to be
Staying
very
alive.
close right now.
Staying alive. Very nice. Very nice. You too, sir, look like you're getting quite comfortable. Okay. Want some? Get some. Oh, that's right.
The choice of article of clothing that we've taken.
Daddy's home.
Could put some pressure on you.
Oh, the old high flush.
Double here is huge.
I'm famished.
I'll get you some Chipotle when we're done.
Big shot.
It doesn't even matter if I get 2 or whatever.
Okie dokie. Okie dokie.
$100.
Woo! I love that feeling. I'm addicted to that feeling right there.
Right there.
For the quick hundo, gotta get it back. Don't have to go borrow it from my wife now.
You still need pins here.
What? Yeah, you hit the head pin.
Yeah.
I need the head pin. And I don't want to do what I just did because I could go 4 through the middle. I don't want to do that. That should be enough.
I mean, yeah, I probably should have got 2, to be honest.
Oh, I still need some more. I still need some more.
I should have got those 2. Those 2 would have made you spit.
If you would have gone for those 2, I would have tried to strike again. a day's work. Nobody's money tastes as good as Packy's money.
Never bowling in those again. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And thanks Brent for coming on, stealing his Hyundai back. Yeah, if you guys have any more ideas, throw them down below in the comments. We're open to anything fun and ridiculous because obviously that's what we do best here. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
I am not a crook.